Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and in this video I will show you how to use mini window mode on this device. So the first step will be to open any kind of application in a floating window. So I will use my notes, for example, and I want to swipe up from the bottom side of my screen and tap on the application icon right here, and now I want to select floating window option. So now I want to tap the three-dot button right here at the top of my floating window and select option minimize. So as you can see, the floating window shrinks to a small and round icon that is on the edge of your screen. This is basically the mini window mode. If you want to open it, you want to simply tap on it and it will open. And additionally, you can adjust its position on your screen by dragging it vertically. So you can drag it down or up depending on what you want. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.